Instagram uses video selfie verification to confirm your identity when you're having trouble logging in or to prevent fake accounts from being created. This method is preferred over simple photo uploads because photos and identification documents can be easily manipulated or digitally altered, while videos provide better security. If video selfie verification isn't working, there are several common reasons why it might fail. First, a poor internet connection can prevent the video from uploading properly. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi or cellular data. Second, an outdated Instagram app may have bugs that prevent verification from working correctly. Third, camera permission problems can block the verification process. Instagram needs access to your device's camera to record the selfie video. Video quality is crucial for successful verification. Ensure good lighting with a clear view of your face and record steadily without excessive movement or shaking. It's important to note that Instagram does not use facial recognition technology in this process. The videos are used only to confirm that you're a real person and that you're authorized to access the account. When Instagram's video selfie verification fails, start with these basic troubleshooting steps to resolve common issues. Clear Instagram's cache to resolve app data issues. On Android, press and hold the Instagram app icon, tap the info icon, and select Clear Cache. On iOS devices, you may need to reinstall the Instagram app since direct cache clearing isn't available. Delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. Check your device settings to ensure Instagram has the necessary permissions. Enable camera, microphone, and storage permissions for the app to function properly. If mobile verification continues to fail, try alternative approaches. Log in using a PC and complete the Facebook identity check, or attempt verification on a different device. When uploading identification documents, ensure they meet Instagram's requirements. Use a valid, unexpired government-issued photo ID. Take the photo head-on in good lighting with all four corners visible and no glare. If all else fails, try uninstalling all Meta-related apps and reinstalling them. You can also report the problem through Instagram's help section or request support by tapping Get Help Logging In on the login screen.